I can't remember when I was first involved, but it's a long time ago. I was on the partnership for a long time, have been on the partnership for a long time for one of the local voluntary organisations, but I was also part of the education group. And first of all, as an education officer at CAT for a long time. And the education group was great because it was a really good coming together of people to do things about the biosphere. We did some good stuff in the past, and it was a very good way to get organisations in the area to work together. From UNESCO's point of view, the idea of a biosphere has evolved. So they're thinking much more nowadays about people living with the environment. And so that's an extremely important bit of it, of thinking about what happens to the people and how they live well with the biosphere. But the whole area has lots of really lovely special environments in it, woodlands of all sorts and all sorts of things, loads of rivers. This sort of area of Wales is people live well together. They're kind of good at being cooperative and looking after each other. It's a lovely place to live. So what I hope will happen in the next few years is that far more people in the area are aware that they're living in a biosphere, but actually that has to mean something to them. And so it would be great if we can do a lot more education work, because that's a really good way of reaching lots of people. But also we've got to set some changes going that really make a change in people's lives. So it would be great if we could be on the path to more jobs in the area that are good jobs, interesting jobs for young people, which live in harmony with the local environment.